Open the packaging box. Check for any abnormalities in the product appearance. Verify the presence of all accessories according to the accessory list. Read the quick installation guide and manual to understand the product installation and precautions. Prepare in advance: electric drill, flashlight, needle nose pliers, tape measure, adjustable wrench, utility knife, one-hole saw. Ensure sufficient installation space. Turn off the cold water supply valve and open the kitchen faucet to drain the remaining water. Remove the cold water pipe from the supply valve. Install the inlet feed water adapter onto the cold water supply valve and tighten with a wrench. Install the cold water pipe onto the inlet tee and tighten with a wrench. If your home has a half water supply valve, refer to the following installation method. Remove the adapters from both ends of the feed inlet tee. Install the inlet feed water adapter onto the cold water supply valve and tighten with a wrench. Install the cold water pipe onto the inlet tee and tighten with a wrench. Preferably, install the faucet in the sink soap dispenser hole. If the sink has no soap dispenser hole, choose an appropriate location to drill a hole. Apply a hole sticker at an appropriate location. Use a suitable hole saw to drill a hole. Insert the white pure water pipe into the quick connect of the faucet bottom up to the marked line. Pass the white pure water pipe and signal wire through the faucet hole. Then tighten the faucet fixing nut. Drill a 1/4 inch hole at an appropriate location on the drain pipe. Insert the gray brine pipe into the quick connector until it reaches the marked line and install the retaining clip. Insert the brine clip outlet pipe into the drilled hole and secure it with a Velcro strap. If your home cannot install a drain saddle, choose the following method to secure the drainage pipe. Insert the gray brine water pipe into the drain. Secure it with 2 zip ties. Attach the shock pad to the bottom of the main unit. Align the arrows on both ends of the faucet signal wire and tighten the nut. Connect the power adapter port and tighten the nut. According to the machine prompts, insert the corresponding water pipes up to the marked line and install the retaining clips. Make sure the drain line flow restrictor is on the brine water pipe. Arrange the pipes neatly and secure them with zip ties. Turn on the cold water supply valve and the treeway valve switch. Plug in the power. Open the purified water faucet and flush for more than 20 minutes. Open the kitchen faucet and take a cup of raw water to test its TDS value. Open the purified water faucet and take a cup of purified water to test its TDS value. Check for any leakage at the drain pipe, cold water valve, main unit, faucet, and all water ports. Turn on the cold water supply valve. Open the purified water faucet to drain the remaining water inside the machine. About 10 seconds. Unplug the machine's power plug. Turn the filter cartridge handle counterclockwise to remove the old filter cartridge. Insert the new filter cartridge and turn clockwise to secure. After replacing the filter cartridge, press the select button to choose the corresponding filter to be replaced. Press and hold the reset button for 3 seconds. After you hear the beep, the reset is complete. Supply water and power, open the faucet, and drain for more than 20 minutes. Black water is a normal phenomenon due to activated carbon powder in the filter cartridge.